To change primary language of the live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap open live transcript. Tap setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then tap more setting. Under audio and language section, tap primary language and then select the desired language you like to use as the primary language. As the example, we will select English United States. The primary language of the live transcript has been set to English United States, which means live transcript will use this language as the default. Now you can use live transcript to capture a speech in English United States and get the transcription in a text form on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.